Alexa, turn off. Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing, unpackaging, showing you something very interesting. Anyway, I thought I was going to go into some sort of rhyme then. Wild Hair's been going for about 9 months now. We've had stuff from Australia, America, you name it. It's been Estonia. We've had some stuff from quite, all over the globe, which has been fantastic. Now, over the last 2 months, I keep seeing this brand's name pop up on people's profiles. They have something like 210,000 likes on their main page. Some people say it's a pyramid scheme. Some people say it's the best thing they've ever tried. Everyone seems to have a discount code. So I'm intrigued. Sorry, I just take a tea bag out my green tea. So I've got a few questions about this brand. First thing, why is it called the Beard Struggle? This isn't some sort of diss video, by the way. You'll see where it's all leading to. I've just got some questions, really. I'm quite interested. I'm intrigued. I'm curious. How, this huge following. I saw a couple of the Beard Struggle videos. Some guy driving around giving $1,000 to people who work at McDonald's. I didn't watch it for very long. So why is it called the Beard Struggle? Is it for people who are struggling to grow beards? And again, that's not me trying to take the piss. I'm just interested in knowing. So if you know the Beard Struggle, or you've tried the Beard Struggle, or your beard does struggle, just stick a comment down and I'll answer them. And I'm just really interested in finding out, really. A brand with 250 odd thousand likes is pretty remarkable. Are they real likes? Are they brought likes? I don't know, but every sort of other day, I seem to see, a new Beard Struggle advert or a Beard Struggle follower coming up. So that leads me to this. Now, I've been sent a package by someone who has some Beard Struggle stuff, which is exciting because I wouldn't want to pay for it just because I don't know what to expect. And for me personally, I'm all about the smaller brands. I like the idea of a guy in his kitchen, whipping up the butter or measuring out the oils, and it being really sort of artisan. And I think when you're a mass produce like this Beard Struggle fellows, you imagine it's all factory. Maybe I'm wrong. I think the leader is called Jake. If he is watching, Jake, stick it in there for me, mate. Let me know a bit more. Right, let's see what we've got then, babies. Hope you're all doing very well. I'm actually quite excited about this, which is funny, really. So it was sent by a mystery man, and he has sent me 2 little packages. Now, they are used. It's fine. I don't mind that they're used. So in here, we have the Asgardian Secret, which is a day liquid tonic. Changing the world one beard at a time. So let's look at the ingredients. Now, after doing a lot of oils, I know my favourites. I think my favourites are thick oils. One brand comes to mind when I say thick oil, and that's the Bald Viking. His saps, as I call them, because they're so thick, they're not an oil. His saps really do coat your beard. They almost stick your beard in place, but in a nice way. There are lots of obviously other oils like Rusty Bear, Odin, AJ Hawk, Ruin Silk. They're oils. They're those oils that you pop in, and about 20 minutes later, you find yourself just stroking your beard, almost like it's like a nice, well-groomed pussy. Pussy cat, obviously. Because you don't want to go down on a girl and you've got that down there, do you? Well, maybe you do. Write in the comments. Write in the comments, people. Right, back to the matter at hand. So ingredients: rice bran oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba jojoba oil, and essential oils. So looking at this first, in my mind, they're not that bad oil ingredients. So they're a mixture of your cheap and your cheerful. And then it says essential oils. So there's no fragrance oils in this, which is good, It's made in Canada, as you can see there. Let's have a look at the viscosity. Right, so you can see from the colour. Now, I've said in previous videos, when you get that really strong yellow, almost like urine, you know, when you're a bit dehydrated and you go to the loo, like go for a wee, and you get that strong yellow. Some oils can be really almost orange, and that is because of the amount of jojoba oil. A little trade secret for you guys is when you get the ingredients list at the back, the ones that says rice bran oil. So the ingredient that's at the top of the list is the ingredient that the oil has most of. And jojoba oil is at the end. There could be literally fuck all jojoba oil in here. And you can see from the colour, there isn't really any. There's a slight tiny weeny bit of yellow in there. But really it's actually just looks like a clear oil. So even though it's got jojoba oil in it, it could be the smallest little gnat piss of jojoba oil. This one. Should we have a sniff? No idea what this is going to smell like. Okay, well, there isn't really any smell to it. It's a very thin oil, as you can see, which must be the rice bran. Maybe I haven't really seen rice bran oil come up. Plasters, which sounds a bit silly. To it. There's a slight grease. I'm not going to put it in my beard due to the fact that I'm going to use the baby's. I'll put that in the wash. I'm not going to put it in my beard because I've got some stuff in today anyway. So I'm not going to put it in my beard. So that is the day oil by the Beard Struggle. So pretty much senseless, thin. But it does say essential oils. I don't know what essential oils. If you know, guys, stick it in the comments for me, will ya? Oh, he's used a lot of that. Bloody hell, you cheeky sod. Look at that, it's almost finished. So this is the night liquid. This is the night liquid. It looks well used. Parents of the day, we have rice bran, castor oil, macadamia nut oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba, and essential oils. So this has got castor oil, which is that thick oil that gives you that thickness. Okay, again we've got quite a thin oil. You can almost see in there. You see that? It's almost like water, isn't it? Here, if that is a colour, which it isn't. I'm really surprised just by how thin this oil is. Check this out, ready? It's almost like water. But it says essential oils, so I don't know. What are the essential oils, guys? Can you let me know? Can you tell me what it's meant to smell like? It just smells like that, like unwrapping something, like that sort of smell you get when you open up a fresh, you know, like a PS4 game. You open up, you have that booklet, sort of smells like fresh. Like fresh, yeah, there's not really much going on. So scent-wise, in both of the oils, yeah, there isn't really anything there. It's that sort of, it's like an antiseptic smell, which I don't really like. I would say it's on the verge of being an unscented, but like I say, it's got that antiseptic smell in both oils. Now, the blue one is thicker than the green one. The green one is super thin. which I'm quite surprised by. So these guys that are saying it's the best oil they'd ever tried, is that because they haven't tried any other oil? Because I know that there's some awesome oils out there, like I've shown and proven over the last 9 months. Um, so the point of this exercise really was that I do want to try it, and I just want to see what the fuss is about. If you are a beard struggler or a beard part of the beard struggling group, give me a comment. Keep it clean. And this isn't about slagging anyone off. This is just curiosity, and I am interested in knowing how a brand can get from nothing at one stage to 250 billion likes, whatever it is, on Instagram, and then they've probably got a shitload of people on YouTube. Is it the best oil ever? Is it the greatest thing ever made? It's definitely not going to be made by a guy in his shed, is it? So last night I used the beard oil by the the Beard Struggle. I used their nighttime oil. There's a few pros and cons about this oil for me. The con for me was the aroma. To me, it smelt like antiseptic cream. I didn't find it very pleasant at all. It's very subtle, but it was still enough for me to almost, question the scent profile. So, if you've used the Beard Struggle, I want to know what you think. And if you are a brand and you don't like the Beard Struggle, let me know. I want to hear that too. Thank you very much for watching this video. Pros about the oil, I would say that it soaked in fast. It didn't really leave any sort of grease behind on the beard, which is obviously great. And I think that anyone who has 250,000 followers for a product, you need to make sure that obviously it's on point. I would say, would I try the oil again? I'd have to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you have used Beard Struggle, please leave it in the comments or let me know. I'll be really interested to know your thoughts. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us, do all that, do a little dance, do whatever you want. But follow, make sure you follow. Stay safe. Love to you all. Thank you for your support. See you next time.